Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear emotion in a Nasdaq valley. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Sons of Vikings, hear them roar. Sons of Vikings fight with Thor.
Ready to trade futures like a pro? Omnius Trades gives you the edge you need to succeed in this market. Click the link to learn more.
Trade futures with Omnius Trades and master your future.
Learn to trade futures with us. Get started with Omnius Trades and unlock your potential in the market.
And it's 0.4%. Let's do a quick market analysis before Omnius comes in.
Good morning.
Look at gold breaking out. I was hoping. That's what I was saying. Let's get above that wedge. Omnius is in. Ooh. Let him do a market analysis.
You act like I'm early or something.
Maybe my mic's off. He's smiling.
What?
That's a good sign.
Can't hear me? Can I hear me?
No, don't hear him. I don't hear him in Discord. I don't hear him in...
Yeah, you do. Thing lights up when I talk. It's on your side.
More time.
Huh?
NQ coming down to the 200. It's coming down again. Weak pops. It's really not able to get any continuation to the upside. Asian session.
Shit.
Took out the high, took out the low. Means we have a good chance we're going to take out the high again.
Mikey, good morning. Mikey, go tell Mike to fix the shit.
Yesterday. Let's see what happens.
Fix.
I don't know. I don't hear Omnius at all. Let me go onto the stream and see if...
Shit. Bro. Fix your shit, bro. Gotta unmute.
All these screens, volume 429,000. You guys know I look at the volume. The bot made a recovery. It had a red night, but it's recovered since.
Mike, fix your shit, bro.
I wish I knew sign language. It looks like he's talking.
Yeah. It's on your side.
Oh my God. I swear to God, I think it's me. I think I turned my volume off. Try again?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm such an idiot.
Y'all hear it, right? Y'all heard it? Admitted
I'm such an idiot. Did I say anything bad about you? Well, I thought you were off.
I was telling people to go tell you to fix your shit, but I guess they didn't want to.
Shit. Oh, wait. Fix your shit. There it is. You know what? It's not appearing. Wow, that's crazy. I'm on live chat. It's not appearing.
Look, I got censored on my own chat yesterday. I put something in the chat, and I was like, it didn't even show up.
Yeah,
got censored on my own chat.
Yeah, I've been getting that too.
I don't even remember what I said. It was stupid. I reposted it. It went through.
On another computer that I'm monitoring, it showed up. That's where I saw it. But on my main computer right here, it didn't show up.
Yeah, they censored me on my own stream.
Does that seem wrong or it seems good?
World we live in, I guess.
Seems wrong to me.
Should have took a screenshot of what I said. It was something stupid.
Wow, that was funny. So I'm going to have to go to your stream later and listen to it. Sitting there like a fucking idiot saying Omnius. I'm tapping on my ear thing.
Oh yeah, it all came through on my side. Hey, you look kind of weird. I was like, what is he doing? My shit works.
No, because I wasn't even hearing you in the Discord. But you know what? I turned off the volume for a while. I was tired. Too much noise in the ear. Too much streaming. Anyways, made a laugh. Laugh at me.
Important thing for the morning, we do have news at 9:45 and a little bit lesser news at 10 o'clock. 9:45 is flash PMI, so it could move the market. So if you have the option to get out of a trade, I probably would. Go out to the 4 hour. Not really a lot, man. We're just kind of going sideways. We get a spike up, we get a spike down. What can you do, right? Look for a good setup and take it. But no real bias for the day. I mean, we could go up, we could go down. I think we're waiting for the PMI. And what was the other one? Manufacturing, I think. Once again, could move the market. Oh, we got that again, huh? I didn't see that on the chart. Supreme Court opinion on tariffs again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
Bunch of idiots.
We got the Michigan sentiment. The chart said something different. I don't know what the news is. Chart says home sales. Am I just not seeing that on here? All right, may or may not be home sales at 10 o'clock. We do have... This one says the University of Michigan sentiment, but saying something different. Plus that's tied in with home sales, I don't know.
Well, I'm relying on you.
I'm relying on the news thing, and I got two different ones telling me two different things.
Guys,
here's what we take from
relying on you guys too.
Here's what we take from it. 9:45, news. Probably move the market. 10 o'clock, news. Might move the market, might not. Supreme Court's pushed back their decision how many times now? Mm-hmm. We're all sitting here waiting. Oh, we pushed it back again.
Fix your shit.
Just do your damn job, make a decision, let us know what it is.
That's at 10?
Yeah. What it says.
Yeah. Who do we got in the game?
Oh, you know what? They might have pushed back home sales. Remember how they was having government things before and they were like canceling news things?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Sparkles. What time is it? Oh, wow, 9:08. Look at that.
What time's Omnius normally show up?
9:08. I'm thrown off.
I feel like the market's about to open.
Exactly. I thought I was like, like we're like 2 minutes away from it.
I'm used to jumping right in. What do y'all do when y'all are waiting?
Okay. Sit back, enjoy my coffee. I do have a trade. Small one, long. Targeting the fib levels that you see on my chart there, guys. Probably take a partial. What am I long at? I'm long at 63. Targeting, I guess, 83 for the first partial.
I don't know if I ever told you, but my son went through a phase where he was like all about Fibonacci.
Oh, yeah.
And he had to tell everybody about it. Like everybody. And explain to him what it was.
Just saying that word, you sound smart.
And how everything in the world like evolves around Fibonacci.
Yeah.
And apparently in first grade, they were kind of weird about that. It was like first or second grade, like he was obsessed with Fibonacci.
Did he say the word with an accent? Fibonacci. Hey, Sparky. The Fibonacci.
Oh, I wish I had it recorded because he had like this big speech problem. I think that might have been one of the only words he said good. He was so fixated on it.
Yeah.
He was so far down the rabbit hole. He probably said it so many times. That's probably the only word he could say good.
Mm.
He was obsessed with Fibonacci. He was obsessed with septillion, which is a really big number. And he was obsessed with Google, which most of y'all probably don't know, but that's also a really big number.
Yeah.
You didn't know that, did you?
No, I did. I think you told me a couple months ago, and I remembered. One of the few things I remembered.
And he was also obsessed with like square root. My wife made him a t-shirt one time for school. Had all these different like square roots and square of and stuff.
Yeah.
He was in like first grade. The fourth and fifth grade teachers were like, "We can't wait for you to get to our class."
62.
We'd go on a long trip or something, and he'd be like, "This times this equals this, and this times this equals this, and this times this." Like, son, could you please stop for a little bit?
The parents are proud, but his sister, she didn't say, "Shut up."
Oh, his sister was a baby then. They're 5 years apart.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, he was her age. He was probably 6 or 7. Picked him up from school one time. I was like, "Dad, what's 1,000,000 times 1,000,000?" Or something like that. Whatever the number was. I'm like, "Fuck, son, I don't know." He's like, "Well, you're not very smart, are you?"
You said that was in the car? That's when you slam on the brakes.
My son, you're just asking me a question out of nowhere, expecting me to immediately have the answer. I'm like, give me a little bit. Let me go home and figure it out.
Yeah, let me take my shoes off.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We got home and figured it out. Turned out that number was septillion. And he's been obsessed with it for the next 4 or 5 years.
Mm.
Now he's like, Minecraft. He's probably better at math then than he is now.
Didn't do too good overnight. I was red. But by 5, 6 o'clock, I started to recover and got a bunch of winning trades.
I was green, but there was a period in there that took a bit of drawdown.
Text the markers.
What can you do, right?
Mm.
No, when the market's more slower, you kind of gotta pick and choose which ones you take.
Yeah.
Anyways, where's my coffee? Did I get coffee?
I only got 1 cup left. I'm saving it for me.
I remember we used to have meetings and they'd show up with coffee and donuts. Like, I don't get no coffee, I don't get no donuts. This job sucks.
Yeah. What do you mean? You said they showed up with coffee and donuts, or they didn't show up with coffee and donuts?
I would have meetings at work, and
Okay.
we'd get there early. I'd have coffee and donuts.
There you go.
Maybe bagels, but I wasn't into the bagels.
Mm. Shit, I saw a couple of TikToks yesterday on food. I think it was Cat's Delicatessen making these pastrami sandwiches, and Crispy's Pizza in New Jersey. Oh my God, did it look good. Guys, if you live in New Jersey and you know Crispy's Pizza, send me one.
Seen something, I think yesterday, said Kennedy was pushing for labels on stuff again.
Okay.
I guess he wants to put a label on your candy and a lot of your food that says not for human consumption.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
That's a little extreme.
Well,
See, now the problem.
They put, I think it was my son that came up with this one. They said they put labels on cigarettes. Why don't they put labels on the food?
Mm.
I mean, beer has label. Cigarettes have label. The food kills more people than the cigarettes.
What's the label on beer? You're gonna get a belly?
May lead due to chlamydia or something. I don't remember.
Man, he took chlamydia.
You may make bad decisions that you'll remember and enjoy for the rest of your life. Fuck, I don't know. You ever meet those people and like, you don't have to drink to have fun? You don't have to, but no good story ever started with I was sober.
Yeah, all the great stories.
Oh, you remember that time we were sober and we jumped off a bridge? Fuck no, I didn't jump off no bridge sober. I don't drink that much anymore. That's why I don't do much stupid shit anymore.
Holy shit, I don't drink at all almost. Wine for dinner, but I got a beer I had in my fridge now since, I swear to God, I think August of last year. I've been waiting for a good time to drink it. Maybe when I come down to Florida, but I know what you're gonna say. Not now, it's fucking warm. Did you have it in a cooler? Good morning, Skeletor.
Skeletor, good morning. Man, it's already hot where I'm at. Man, Skeletor, it's already summertime for us, buddy. Mike, winter's over.
Yeah, it's t-shirt weather here already. It's 3 degrees.
It's already 70 degrees here.
Okay, let's try this pop-out trick. First, let's move it to live chat.
I'm already back to the AC running all day. Go for a 20-minute walk, come back pouring sweat.
Wow. You the man.
If you ever take a flight from Canada to Florida to try to beat me up, you go from that cold weather to the hot weather. All I have to do is walk around the car about 3 times, and you'll be laid out on the ground, drenched in sweat. I'm like, please help me. I'm falling. I can't get up.
It's not that bad in Florida.
Okay. Show up in August.
I'm not coming to beat you up in August. I'm coming in January.
Get you some of that 110 degree weather. That feels like 130.
Not the heat, it's the humidity. You jump in the ocean.
Half of Florida lives at the ocean.
Yeah.
Just walk around the beach naked every day.
Mikey, good morning. Is this gonna work? Top chat. Live chat.
In Florida, you want to see naked women, you just go to the beach. See hundreds of them.
Hundreds. Really? That's allowed?
I mean, they're not naked, but they have a little bit of floss somewhere. That's about it.
Oh, I was going to say topless.
They had at one point in time where they tried to outlaw women being topless, like spring break and stuff. And then all the women were protesting. I said, okay, well, as long as you're protesting, you can be topless. I don't know whatever happened. I guess I can't do that no more. Cops would say, hey, put your shirt on. The girl would say, I'm protesting. It's fine, keep protesting.
Yeah, we had that in Ontario too. Near us. It looks really stupid, to be honest with you. Maybe you just have to get used to it, but it looks really stupid.
In Russia, they protest topless. Out in the States, they got to step up their game.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to Russia just to see the girls protest topless. They got more freedom than we do, apparently.
What kind of bar on the left side, please? That's the Omnius cumulative volume delta. He has it on his chart, and I like it. It shows if the volume's coming in or out of the market. It's running on the 1,000 volume chart. The CBD.
Like it's the regular cumulative delta. You just put it on a fast time chart and make it really small, so it's only showing up about 10 minutes a time, 10, 15 minutes, because you want to know what's happening now. It's good for when you enter a trade to see that volume's kind of spiking one way or the other. It's confirmation for the trade. Also, if you're in a trade and you see it spike the other way, it might be a good time to just exit the trade.
If you like it and you want to play with it, there's a channel dedicated to it in the Discord with a video link and everything, showing you from NinjaTrader, showing you where to get it, how to put it on, etc., etc., etc. Why am I watching the NQ chart while I'm in a gold trade? Can anybody explain? Price hasn't been nice to me.
By the time the market opens, I don't even know if I'm going to be trading.
Yeah. No, price hasn't been nice to me for a couple hours now. Maybe 3 hours. I've been struggling. Again, battling back and forth. I get a hit. They get it. They take it back. They hit me back. It's been an even battle. There are those days, right? Lion takes a swipe at you. You take a swipe at the lion. Was that the swipe at the lion?
Yeah, I think so.
It's okay.
I was working on my open range bot a little bit yesterday. Trying to recalibrate it a bit. Didn't really have to do much. All I do is change a few things. Came out pretty good.
Pre-market range, we're right at the low. That's the blue box that you see on the chart, or the bluish box that you see on the chart.
So I was looking at the open range bot, and it had a drawdown back in November. We watched that one live. Then I was expecting a drawdown around mid-February to March. So we got that. So other than there was last November, and then before that, it did amazing pretty much from March all the way till November. And then from, what is this, December to... Come on, man. I know you can work. December to February.
Man.
It had massive great run November to February, and then from I think middle of March to November last year.
Mike, I have NinjaTrader. How to get this chart from file? Mike, go into Discord. There's a channel called, hold on, I'll tell you what the channel is called. The channel is called Cumulative Delta Indicator. Just go in there. And it tells you how to put the chart on. It tells you where to get the chart. It shows videos from actually NinjaTrader. Not even my videos, NinjaTrader videos. How to put it on, how to set it up, how to read it, everything. You got a step-by-step for beginners. Oh, shit. Go into Discord. It's all done for you. You know what might not be a bad idea also, Omnius? Offering templates.
Yeah,
you know, just popping the template down, and problem is if they're missing an indicator or something, you know, it's not going to work, and it'll throw them off.
you can put it all in a folder. You could say you can set up charts. Used to be a guy I used to watch. He did that with Thinkorswim. He did the same thing on NinjaTrader.
Yeah.
And you can put it all into a folder, and then you give a template, and you say, okay, this is the template. You have to download these indicators. So download the indicators first, then load the template, and you'll bring up the chart. And there was another guy also I used to watch, and he used to have charts, and it'd show people different charts. Hey, look at this. You know, you have one set up with for range strategy. You have one set up for trending, and he was always showing people different charts. He used to say, "Trader's only as good as the chart. You got a bad chart, you're a bad trader."
Yeah.
So definitely something we can look into. There are some interesting charts.
3 minutes.
So we have the indicator section now. We have things like that. So we definitely want to work on things like that. And we want people in the community to give their input on it.
Work, yeah, that's a lot of work. If you got to set up a package with all the indicators and the templates and the links,
it's actually not that bad because the indicators are already there. You just have to copy them, put them into a folder, and then chart template is basically just right click and save chart template.
Yeah. Oof.
So once you get it down, what's necessary, then from there it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
No more difficult than posting an indicator. Or
2 minutes.
Or fixing an indicator and making it custom. That way it's ready for people as soon as they load it on their chart. That takes way more time.
That little bump you saw at 928 was the imbalance report that comes out 2 minutes before the market open. It was a little bit to the downside. That means the sell orders dominate right now. Doesn't mean we're going to go down. Just means there's more market on open sell orders than there are market on open buy orders at 928.
You got 2 minutes, 1 minute open. Guys, once again, there's news at 9:45.
So get in all your trading in 15 minutes.
So if you're in the market, might be a good time to get out before the news. We have flash manufacturing and service PMI 9:45. Then at 10 o'clock, we have maybe new home sales, since the other one doesn't say that. And then the other one says Michigan sentiment and a Supreme Court ruling on tariffs at 10 o'clock, which have been pushed back, what now, 5 times? So if you see a huge spike at 10 o'clock, that might be the reason. If you don't, probably pushed it back again.
30 seconds to take off. Who's doing the bell? You or me? Who's doing ding, ding, ding?
We need one, don't we?
Yeah. Okay. For today, it'll be you.
We don't have a ding, ding, ding in the Discord?
Yeah. Oh, no. I don't know. Use your mouth.
about an air horn or a quack? An air horn or a quack?
I want to hear you do it.
We got crickets.
Crickets.
That work? You hear it?
I hear it.
All right, mark it open, guys.
No!
We'll have to work on a ding, ding, ding.
You stupid fucking idiot.
Hey, hey, hey.
Call this. Okay.
Say your woosahs or something. Woosah.
Woosah, yeah, I think I need to meditate. Anyways, no big deal.
My charts are going 2 different directions. Oh, fuck this again. My fucking goodness.
I know that song.
35 seconds behind.
Woosah.
Oh, Ninja Trader. Dear Ninja Trader. Fuck you. "43 seconds behind, 44 seconds behind, 45 seconds behind. Guys, good news, bad news. I know what's going to happen on my chart 45 seconds in advance. Bad news is you can't take advantage of it. So, Mike, if I just turn my bot on, right? So if I took a trade now, knowing what it's going to do 53 seconds from now, it's not going to work. We tried it before. So if I turn the bot on, it takes the trade now. Is it going to work on the right time?
No.
Probably still screw me, won't they?
Yeah, you're going to get the actual prices. What you're seeing is the old prices because it's comparing the chart with the actual data.
Yeah, but I want the actual price.
Yeah, it's what they're going to fill you at. You're just not going to know what it is or where it is.
And last time I'd even seen it on my chart. Guys, last time I took the trade, and it was great, right? It was on the chart, everything. It went to take profit. Lost a whole bunch of money.
It's so funny how it's so the opposite with you and me.
I'm almost 80 seconds behind. This is untradeable.
80 seconds. You sure it's not 0.8?
No, it's 82 seconds.
82 point something. You see a decimal place.
My chart's at 738. 24,728 right now. It's 23, 31.
Wow. Bye. I'm telling you, we're at 780.
88 seconds behind. I want to say the one time, yeah, that showed up on, look, I can take the buy right here. Look, shows up. Oh, y'all can't see it. Be a great time to make some videos, huh? You can see it there, but the price is way up here. It's all bullshit. Look at how much y'all want to load into it. This is, just so y'all know, guys, this is a sim account. Not still. I actually tried it before, but this is all sim. We got 809, 807. Look, how many want to add in? Don't matter. I know exactly where it's going. 110 seconds behind. All right, I gotta. I gotta disconnect, reconnect, or something. Maybe something. Go to Apex.
Yay.
You know it's gonna go up there. It already has. Ready to get out the trade so I can go ahead and
I have more goals and more structure today. Gonna trade calmer, gonna trade 5 lots, which allows me to add 10 lot max. Target $1,000.
What the hell's it doing?
You laughing at me or something else?
Just loaded in like 50 contracts on the sim account. And I exited the trade and it loaded back in another 43. It don't know what to do. It's like we don't know what to fucking do.
Markets are showing strength. Where do I have that blue line? Ooh, that blue line is far away.
I don't know. On the sim account, it showed it win. Guys, y'all want to fake some good videos or something? Wait, which account is this? Yeah, that one. That's stupid.
Excellent.
I'm 130 seconds behind, guys. Y'all see that on the chart right there? You guys see it past the white line, white letters. For anybody interested, you can see it right there. This chart is fucked. See it right there, 130. That's how many seconds.
Coming up to the pivot point. And well, actually, ES is coming up to the daily close. Previous day's close. And Q over the daily close, coming up to the pivot point at 879. Can you type one letter in your chat? I want to see if my chat is working. If it's pulling up your chat, I popped it out. Just type one thing on this.
One.
Let me know when you do it.
Okay, good.
Oh, there you go. One thing. Perfect. Okay, it's working. We know it's working. Wow, nice run. Nice run.
Oh, now it won't even load. Are you on Bullinox? Is Bullinox down?
No, I'm on Bullinox. I'm trading.
I can't even load it. No. Stupid, man. It's stupid. I don't care what anybody says. You can't tell me that JP Morgan's going through shit like this.
Oh, no. They're not paying $19 for their accounts.
Yeah. You're right.
You get what you pay for. Advantages and disadvantages.
What are we doing? Tells me Apex is live, but not loading the chart. What happens when you show up early?
Yeah. It's so funny. We show up early and I was unprepared. Make that make sense, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, the Apex ain't working either.
Oh, no?
We something with Ninja Trader?
Is it the Florida thing?
Let's try to reload data.
Sorry, guys. Somehow. I forgot to get that running. Missed 2 winners. It's too bad. Would have turned my numbers green. Oh, well. Human error. It is what it is. You got to deal with it in real life. You got to deal with it.
Come on, man.
I had to close Apex. That was the problem. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had to close down Apex.
Ninja Trader, you can do it. Got faith in you, man. Come on. Yep, missed that nice trade. 2 trades. Man.
We're going to have another little tiny little leg up. We did bounce off the PP in reverse. It bounced off the PP. Volume staying up there, though. Volume is holding. Wow. Omnius, I have to tell you how much better I do when I just take strategic sniper entries following the plan rather than being impulsive. Doing much better.
Yeah, that happens to me sometimes too.
There we go. We hit the blue line. Ding, 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 ding.
Way to fuck up a Friday morning, huh? Fucking Ninja Trader.
There is the Asia highs. Yeah, I know, eh? That's got to be frustrating. That's a couple of days in a row already for you.
Yeah.
We swept the Asia highs. We swept the Asia lows. We opened down here. There was an 80% chance we take out the Asia highs. And there it is. Yesterday we had the same situation, the highs, the lows, but we didn't take it out. But it still is an 80% probability. Wow. Take a look at the 1 minute chart, how we swept the pre-market low and then shot to the pre-market high. We're not watching that trade, man. It's a golden trade. Look at the pre-market, the blue. Just took it out on the first candle, went right up to the high of the pre-market range.
We gotta do start putting a alert there.
Yeah. There's so many things to follow in the morning, so the 2 minute, the 15 minute, the pre-market, my scalping.
Mm-hmm.
I need more hands, more arms. 9:44, guys. Remember the news alert. Okay, we can get rid of the that's your 1 minute warning.
Guys, the bot's in the trade, but I would get out. This is just a sim account. I couldn't do my other accounts today.
I'll turn mine off also.
I can't trade a minute behind the market.
No, you can't.
I don't think anybody's that good.
That's why I have extra charts up, on the extra computers like TopStep X. So when Ninja is down, I look at TopStep X. So I'm running off the chart. I'm making all my decisions off TopStep X chart, regardless of what the chart is showing me.
Just imagine how many people always have that what the fuck just happened moment and they don't know.
2, 1,
That's why it's so important to put that lag time indicator on your chart.
Yeah.
It's also so important to have a different chart up. different platform. You never know what your platform's doing.
Yeah. Or white.
Mm-hmm. But I will say that on TradingView, I pay for data. I can probably count on one hand the amount of times I've had an issue with that data.
Mm.
But like you said, you get what you pay for, right?
Mm-hmm.
The data on the TradingView costs as much as the account on the NinjaTrader.
Yeah, no, that's definitely it. We're all crowded into not enough servers. It's just like when my computer's running slow, my CPU's at 100%, I'm trying to run the game and it's going slower because it needs to make too many calculations, too many decisions.
So what you're saying is your sim prop account's not getting the priority.
Yep. No, it's not number one on the list.
We're in the back of the line.
Which I do kind of find odd because it's not one account. It's millions. That's a lot of money for them.
Got a service PMI, didn't do anything, did it?
No, nothing, Burger. Donut hole.
Hey guys, make sure y'all smash that like button. Get the likes up a little bit. My video.
I can say one thing today and actually hold to it. I'm going to bed early.
Yeah, like right after the stream.
Nobody wake me up. I need some recovery.
I lay down on the couch last night before we started streaming. My son was watching Stranger Things or something.
Oh, that was a good show.
I told my phone to set an alarm. Son's like, Dad, what are you doing? I'm taking a nap. He's like 20 minutes? Whatever I can get. You get 10 minutes to lay down and take a nap, you gotta take it. About our sub of the week video. Play it. You got it?
I don't have your
Shout
stream
out
up.
to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the market.
Say go.
What? Go.
Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream.
There he is. Lewis, good morning.
You pulled him out. You woke him up.
Woke him up, huh? No, he wakes up early.
He heard his name. Gator the Malinois. Not his name. He heard his dog. Gator the Malinois. Gator needs to go for a walk.
He's one of those military guys. He probably still gets up at like 5 in the morning. Go out there and run 5 miles. You ever know those people that wake up 5 in the morning, go out there and run 5 miles?
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with those people. Like, what the fuck?
I told her the exact same thing. You know you can run later also, eh?
Honestly, some people are dedicated to that shit. They'd be in a bad mood all day if they didn't get their 5 mile run.
Some of us had that ridiculous habit right away.
I mean, I think it's great. If I wake up at 5 in the morning, I'll probably just fall out of the bed and just lay there and cry for a little bit.
Right.
Lewis said, hell no, he's still sleeping. Set my take profit and stop loss again. I don't know how to get the AI to fix it. We're too far into this code. At this point, it's too much trouble to change anything.
I want it to have a one lot. I want it to have a one lot and write it down.
One thing I did on the other code, Mike, was Claude couldn't do something for me, so I took it and I gave it to DeepSeek.
Yeah.
I think that's where I originally got my code that I could change the orders was from DeepSeek. DeepSeek's like, yeah, I got this right now. This ain't no problem. This is easy.
Yeah.
So just a reminder that DeepSeek, GPT, and Claude, they're all good at different things. Sometimes you got to pass the code around.
I am a DeepSeek enthusiast. Oh, shit. I forgot.
I mean, the code I was working with wasn't like 1,500 lines, but it actually went pretty quickly. I think they made it a little bit faster.
Yeah.
Still not near as fast as Claude, but you do.
Okay. Mikey, I was going to ask, have you ever played with this here? I forgot what it's called. Ah, the Super Trend.
Honestly, don't know where to exit this trade.
No, sir. I find a lot of people have good success using the Super Trend.
Where the hell's my line?
You know how to code, right? Yeah, sure you do. Try a bot. Create a bot and run it on demo or on market replay. Where you get in on the Super Trend, you take a partial and let it run on the other piece, kind of like a run in reverse, just to give you an idea of how it works. And then look at maybe taking the first pullback, code that into your bot, see how it works, you know, get some screen time with it, play around with it on demo, on sim, on market replay. That's a good use of time on the weekend. It holds the trend well.
Guys, just a reminder, 10 o'clock we have University, Michigan Sentiment.
Wow.
May or may not move the market. We also have Supreme Court decision on tariffs. They may or may not do it. They've told us this like 5 or 6 times now, and they pushed it back. So just be careful if you're in a trade. You got things set up to protect you. And if you see a huge spike or something at 10 o'clock, that's what it is. Also, once again, stay in this trade. This is just a sim account. I couldn't trade this morning. Bought. My Ninja Trader was a minute and a half behind and finally just froze up. So I can't trade that. Can't risk my accounts. Stuff like that.
Yeah. Mike A. I was talking to Mikey, but that applies to everybody. To you too, sure. If you know how to code some stuff around it. Play with it on the weekend with market replay. See how it holds price. See if there's anything you can develop around it. If you make any observations.
You talking about Super Trend?
Super trend, yeah. I stay away from the open when I'm doing that kind of testing. You know, when I do that kind of testing, I'll do it like I'll start looking at 10 o'clock because, you know, the open's always crazy. So it's kind of invalid data.
You got just remember, you got to be careful setting bots with super trend because it will repaint to a certain extent.
Yeah, but just to get in, like I said, it's just to get an idea of how it holds price.
Right. You want to watch it live. You don't want to see historical data.
Absolutely. Do that too. Let's start off just with coding it. Or, well, I mean, no, you can also put it just on the chart and run market replay. Yeah, absolutely. You don't even have to have a bot. You can just get a feel for it that way too. You're right. You're right. You're right.
I also got mine to be quite a bit more stable, working with Claude, changing stuff to SMAs. But you just got to be careful. I think I'm falling asleep over here.
Yeah, let's go down to 57. There's 57. Thank you. You put the Cher song in my head. If I could turn back time. Cher, you know Cher, Sonny and Cher?
Yeah.
If I could turn back time, which is a good thing. Not only I like the song, but I had the Michael, what's his name again? I forgot. Michael something. Not Michael Bublé. The guy from Wham.
You was talking about song. I thought maybe I was singing a song out loud or something. Like, wait, what song you hearing? was I humming it? Was I singing it? What was I doing? What am I listening to right now? Listening to
Michael. What's his name? Michael.
Metallica,
Oh, yeah.
Low Man's lyrics. Like, you might like that song.
Yeah.
Kind of mellow. Part of their mellow years.
We're in a little bit of consolidation here. I think I'm going to stay away. 951. Since 951, we've been going sideways.
You can tell the market's wet. The market is pausing for something.
Yeah, this little box here. I'll box it out.
Unfortunately, though, if it's waiting for the Supreme Court decision, there's no telling when that could come out. Lewis News at 10. Yeah, there's University of Michigan sentiment. My chart actually said something else, so I'm getting all kinds of different things. I don't see it on the chart anymore. It doesn't close it out. There was like home sales or something, University of Michigan sentiment, and supposedly Supreme Court opinion on tariffs, but we don't ever know what they're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're getting news out also. Iran foreign minister. Iran preparing deal proposal for U.S. So that could also move the market also.
Well, it is 10 o'clock. You said something was going to move the market at 10. Remember the Supreme Court thing also? And
oh, wow.
We're getting more, movement.
I didn't even see this one. Trump is considering a limited strike on Iran.
We're getting more movement than we got at...
Then you got Iran coming out. Oh, we're preparing a deal. Don't strike us, man.
Quick. We don't have a lot of time left.
Like you got one thing and 20 minutes later you got the other one. Like, put something out quick.
He's funny. Trump's a fan of the show 24. You got 24 hours. He plays the song for them. Dunk, 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 dunk.
Unfortunately, we're not going to know if the Supreme Court's going to make a decision or when they're going to make it. So it's not much you can do. Uh-oh, we're getting some further movements. What happened?
Whoa!
Who did that?
You.
How do I get out of the trade? Yeah, sure would have been nice to have that number there in my account.
That fucked me. Oh boy, I can't tell you how many times I got screwed in situations like that. It's always against, never for.
To be honest, if that was my account, I would have got out of the trade anyways because of the news. So. But I did get screwed several times this morning. Not much I can do about it. I can't change the platform. Can't. Maybe I'll call them up and say, look, Ninja Trader, can you fix your fucking shit, man? Come on, please. But to be honest with you, it's probably not even Ninja Trader. It's the data that we get through the prop firm.
Well, we got out of the box that I drew. Quite quickly. I guess that's what you said. You said they were waiting for something. Yeah. I guess they were waiting for, what do you call it? They were waiting for that Supreme Court thing. Maybe something came out.
Now it won't load. Everybody's going to the news sites. I don't know. Nothing's working. Fuck it. Maybe I just need to go back to bed. Yeah, site won't load. I don't think that was the Supreme Court decision. I think that was probably the Iran releasing a statement saying that they're trying to work with a deal. Then all the bots picked it up. That was positive news. Spike it up. Then all the people were like, wait, calm down, bot. We still got to wait on this decision. In case y'all don't know, a lot of the bigger institutions, they have bots that pick up the news immediately, buy and sell. That's why you get such fast movement on news. Other than everything else, would be a nice buy right there, right off of that's the open range also, retest. So does that mean the market liked the bombing of Iran? No, Lewis, they haven't bombed them yet. They were talking about potentially a limited strike, and then Iran came out, said they're preparing a deal proposal. Then we got U.S. sentiment. Now we're getting more news. Let's check this out. Trump tariffs struck down by U.S. Supreme Court. Supreme Court issues ruling on the legality of Trump's global tariffs. Short-term interest rate contracts fell after the Supreme Court ruling. Traders now see Fed waiting until July for cut rates. So this is saying they struck down the tariffs. Weird. We get a link or anything? I was hoping I'd go into more detail about what that means. Or did they strike down all the tariffs, some of the tariffs? I guess they made the decision. U.S. officials. The U.S. is still planning to strike on Iran. Like, you muted, I ain't heard you in a while. U.S., you want a deal proposal? How about a rocket? These people are crazy. I think Mike's sleeping over there. He's going incognito. Let's ask Google.
I'm back. I found my mic. To just play that again. No, we had good opportunity. Good opportunity to pass accounts. So I took it. Sorry. Yep. They did. Where do you think I was? I took a quick flight to Washington. Okay, just give me one more move. I need $11. There we go. Perfect. Oh my God! That's just absolutely insane. Go fuck yourself. That's what I would say. I'm the president. Isn't there some kind of executive order you can sign? Executive order should be a magic wand. I'm the president. I can do what I want. Well, what's the point of being the president? Well, they do. They realize that they're untouchable. They break the law continuously. Yeah, but they've really figured it out over here. Yeah. Yeah. No, for crimes against underage girls. No, didn't pay attention. Didn't pay much attention to the whole Epstein situation, to be honest with you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Market closing, screens glow bright, numbers fading.
The numbers are insane. The numbers are insane. I heard that recently. It's mind-blowing.
Dreams of profit sold so cheap.
Yeah.
Tickers fall, no sound, no cheer.
Mm-hmm.
Greed and hope both disappear. Red and green like broken dreams. World of traders torn at seams.
I heard, yeah. Thought that was taken away from them, though.
Investor hearts now beat so slow, searching for what they don't know. Charts and graphs in twilight's haze, in shadows of the trading maze.
Okay, give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Dreams of futures gone to dust. Banks and brokers lose their trust, echoing in empty halls where ambition echoes falls. I'm calling in all my favors and cashing in all my debts. And now you owe me a good time, and I know what you're gonna say next. You're trading futures, trading futures. Is it worth the price? Is it worth the price? Trading futures, trading futures. Is it worth the price? Is it worth the price? It's so cheap, it ain't paying the price. Too much and too late to
I'm back. No, I see everything's working. But I will do a sound test because I didn't check for you.
Like that last bastion of the market. The market. Noise over there.
I don't hear anything. My mic is on mute. I don't hear anything. My mic is on mute. I had entered. Yeah, a lot of people, it seems, blew past their stops, eh? Ugh, so many screens. Yeah, no, I can't do it. Close. Hey, the bot made a heck of a recovery, eh? Hoo-wee. Very nice. Boom, 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 nice. Boom, 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 nice. Yeah. Mikey, you know what I like with the Mike A, all you guys, what I like about the super trend? The first reversal and continuation. That's how I like to trade it. Besides the cross with a take profit, I'm using 1.5 ATR with a 6-period ATR, just in case you guys want to know if you're going to do some coding.
Mike, turned out I was muted. They muted me again. Not only does NinjaTrader not want to work, or other program not want to work either. Thanks, Lewis. For some reason, they like to auto-mute me.
Why did you say thanks, Lewis? Is he sending us donuts?
Told me I was muted. The funny part, Lewis, is I was telling Mike that he was muted. I sure wish they would just put something in there to just like remove that feature. It's so stupid. Then they're like, oh, send us a video. Yeah, because I'm going to spend my whole live stream recording the damn mic button. And they just come up with another excuse. Remember at one time I even took it off the mixer. I was like, it's just gone altogether. Like, it's not even an option to mute. It still muted me.
Whoa, I'm tempted to chase.
I wonder if they have a hotkey or something that mutes the mic. It's something I use for trading or something.
I'm tempted to chase, but I'm not going to.
Lewis, my ninja's working just fine. Lewis, my ninja's working fine now. I think. Hold on, just switch back over to Bull and Ox. I get the right chart up. Yeah, my ninja's working fine now. At what was it, from like 9:30, like 9:45, 9:50 or something. I was like 130 seconds behind the market. I don't know if you've seen it. I even took like a sim trade. I'm like, look, I know what's gonna happen a minute later. Predict the market. What are you talking? I got crystal ball. I know what's gonna happen.
James
a minute in
G.
advance.
James G, I've been meaning to send you a text and ask how you're doing. I can't begin to tell you how many times I said I got to send him a text and then I forget. How you doing?
Also, Lewis, that's why it's important to have that lag time indicator on the chart on NinjaTrader. Because that's what told me I was even behind. Then I have TradingView up with paid data. Rarely ever have an issue with the paid data.
I take that to mean, James, that you're feeling better. There's a big smile on that guy.
Everybody wants a big smile on a Friday.
Stay away from the counter trend trades.
I tell myself that too. Yeah, great trades on the morning bot. Fortunately, I didn't get to participate. What can you do?
Yep. I'm alive. Alive is good.
What's the alternative?
Hmm.
Man, they're playing all this slow music today. Come on, man. No wonder I'm fucking going to sleep. Get our blood moving. Try to switch some good music, they give me a commercial. Yeah, the other music was good music too. It's just slow. Yeah, I'll take a break. Be back in a minute.
Let's take a bird's eye view, see where we're at. Whoa, that's an interesting chart on the 30 minute. So we took out the lows of yesterday, the previous day's lows, and then we shot up, took out previous day's highs, and we're making session highs. Markets are strong. ES and NQ, they look the same. They look the same. NQ coming up, well, swept the previous day's highs, now coming down a little bit lower. I wouldn't be trading at an initial balance retest right now, but neither the 15-minute opening range or ORB retest. Just too volatile. We got 44 on the ATR, 44 points average range on the 1-minute candles. Too much. Gold's holding over 5,000. And honestly, guys, I can't believe that they would allow the Supreme Court to overrule a decision like that. Seriously, you know how bad that's going to make Trump look on the world stage? You make the leader of the free world look bad? I disagree. I know it doesn't matter what I think, but nonetheless, I disagree. That was a fast move. Compress the chart a little bit. See what we're working with. I mean, on the 5-minute chart, we're in a strong uptrend right now. Keep that in mind if you're scalping. If you're scalping, keep that in mind. If, on the other hand, you're looking for a reversal back down on the 15-second chart, boom, 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 no boom, boom, well, I would be taking it. First, I'd be looking to take out this swing high, this internal high, and then I would look for a CISD. That would be the trade I'd be looking for.
What'd you say to me? Mike, yeah. Hey, I don't know if you know this, but your epidermis is showing.
How old are you?
Oh, man. You know how many people I get with that one?
Mr. Epidermis. Yeah, they're all in kindergarten. They're all running. Mommy, that man told me my epidermis is showing.
No. The old tricks, they never die, man. I still do that. You dropped your pocket. I would tell you that if you're on camera.
That's funny. You dropped your pocket.
I tell people that all the time. Go somewhere, they got like security or something. Like, hey, man, you dropped your pocket.
Tell that to a woman. She's going to think you're talking about her pocket rocket.
Then she probably start following me around.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know this, man, but when you have a red beard, sometimes you got to fight the women off of you. Like, look, I'm married. You got to go away.
You're so funny.
Y'all don't have that problem?
Yeah, everyone has that problem. It's not the red beard. It's just.
Sosa, good morning.
Just the short. Did we get the break?
We got to do at least one qualifier today, right?
Break. And yes.
I thought we got to do at least one. Sosa, type in giveaway game, question mark. We'll get you on a qualifier. We are doing a Linux 50K giveaway today. So great day to show up. Type in giveaway game, and here shortly we're going to be giving away that account.
I identified this chart a little late. This trade, unfortunately. Well, I got to go lower.
Unless you don't want a 50K account, then I guess, yeah, each their own.
No.
Guys, if you like the stream, you appreciate what we do, please hit the like button. Let's Google know you like the stream. Send it out to more people. Don't cost anything to do it. Doesn't hurt you in any way. I do. Where's my damn chart at, man? I got too many things layered on my screen. All right, still in an uptrend. See that by the higher highs and higher lows, except for that one.
Okay, went to the 200. Unfortunately, like I said, I called that one late, so we're not going to count it. I'm alive, James G. So guys,
Always
we're doing
a
a
good day.
qualifier. Type in giveaway. We're going to do a qualifier.
Maybe I need to delete some charts or something. I don't know. I need to trade them night and weird. Hmm. 1 minute or 2,600. Might be looking to come back down to VWAP again. Looks like we've been bouncing off VWAP all day.
Wow, you know, those are two things I miss. I don't have on my charts really much anymore. VWAP, I mean, it is here, but I like sort of don't see it. And the previous day's open, high, low, and close. They're on the 1 minute chart, but I'm not often on it anymore. That's a long. I heard the doorbell ring. I don't even have to look.
Go. Bag it. What was that, like 12 points?
Nice.
Anybody else take second long trades? That's all you need.
Nice.
Few of those a day. All you need. I think people feel like they need more than what they actually need. They don't realize how much money they can make. 10, 20 point trades. I was a bit scared with that stop. It's awfully close.
Yeah. It's two different approaches to the markets. Tight stops, large stops, tight targets.
Yeah,
large targets.
We're getting into market conditions where you really need a larger stop. But I just don't know.
I did see a guy, he made a short. He was showing the difference between a scalper and a swing trader. The swing trader's sitting back in his chair with his feet up on the desk, and the scalper is all frazzled and his hair looks like he's been electrocuted.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess it depends on your personality. And
but I don't agree with that, because you can make the same video the other way, right? Like I can make the same, show me the video, I can make a response to it and say, look, here I am sitting here hanging out, making jokes, laughing the entire day. And today's a bad example because I didn't get to trade the morning trades that I wanted to. Kind of aggravated about that. But my total market time for the day is what? 3 seconds? 4 seconds? Wow. I mean, you got the swing trader sitting in a trade for freaking hour and a half, biting at his fingernails, clenching his butt cheeks. And I can make the same amount. I can make the same amount of money in 4 seconds in the market.
Or
and just to be clear, that 4 seconds was 3 separate trades.
Yeah, or they're putting in their stops and their take profits, and they're closing their computer and going to go watch TV.
You know, that's always like the selling point for swing trading. Now, you're not talking about swing. You're talking about intraday swing trading.
Yeah, of course.
Right. So that's always the selling point.
Yeah.
And how many intraday swing traders that you know actually do that?
Yeah, that actually leave the monitor, leave the screen. I don't know anybody.
And what if you're that one person that does that, and then tariff news just came out and just shot past your stop by 60 points? And then you come back and you're like, what happened?
No,
what happened?
You can't leave. If you leave the monitor, you will learn your lesson to not do it one day. One day you will learn that lesson that that's the wrong thing to do. This is a hands-on deck.
I used to put on trades and just leave them. But then I was using really an intraday swing trading strategy. But the only problem was that sometimes it went multi-day. And what killed me with the strategy was that I had to get out the trade. Back then it was 4 o'clock. Now it's 5 o'clock, but back then it was 4 o'clock. So I had to get out the trade by 4 o'clock. And I couldn't get back into the trade until 6 o'clock. And a lot of times by then it was already screwed up. Well, maybe I should try it again now that it's 5 o'clock. I don't know. I have heard a few prop firms coming out with the swing trading.
Yeah, I just got contacted by one.
Which one? I'd like to maybe try one.
I don't remember, but I was going to talk to you about it. It's also in the FX, and since we do the overnight broadcast, maybe we should, have an offering for the FX world.
A lot of scamming going on with the FX.
That is true, yeah.
They're not as regulated like the futures.
But it did say futures and futures options on this on the contact email. So
I always kind of get confused with that because in theory futures is already options. You're buying a contract. I don't know. I guess they got both. I think I showed you one time. I was showing you, I was like, I have a swing trading strategy. I just haven't used it in a while. I showed it to you and I was still killing it. I was like, damn, this thing's still killing it. Years later.
Yeah, James takes longer trades.
Still killing it. Look at that. I can still pop it on. I haven't messed with it in God knows how long.
We're going to go to 33.
I could still pop it on and trade this fucking strat. Look at this.
I wanted to bring something with you. The divergence in the CVD, but it's gone now. There was a divergence. A higher, I mean, we talked about it before. We had a higher high on NQ with the price action, but not a higher high on the volume on the CVD. And it was making me a little bit nervous for my long.
How do I put this on the screen?
It's a beautiful chart to have up, but you know what? I find it interferes with my decisions with my trading.
Look at this chart. It's on Trading View. Ooh, got something in the way. I haven't even messed with this in forever. I showed you this one before. So it's my swing trading strategy. Let me see it. Oh. How do I? No. It'd be better if you could see a little bit lower. Oh, there you go. Okay.
They say the results that TradingView gives you is very reliable.
Sometimes yes, sometimes no, depending on, once again, what the strategy is and if you have it set up to be reliable. Hey guys, for people that don't know this, you can kind of fake a TradingView strategy if you set it up for let me see the metrics here to change it. Been a while, y'all can tell. You go to properties and you can set up just kind of like the same as NinjaTrader. You know how you set it to accurate or kind of quick response? So you got to kind of watch out for stuff like that. So mine's after order filled, so mine doesn't even calculate until it's filled and ready to go. I try everything possible to keep all my strategies and indicators as accurate as possible. Where the hell's the... Oh, there it is. You can see this one had 53% win rate. Profit factor of 1.8. And I believe this is January 1st to February 20th. So a little over a year. And it's made 54%, $27,000. Of course, could always add more contracts to it. Taking 114 trades. Only problem is, damn, they change stuff so much. How many contracts? Only what, 2 contracts? That's M and Q. You could always go up to 4. Now you got $54,000 for the year. That's the average person's salary right there. In 114 trades. Doing nothing. What an amazing time to be alive. I told you I used to trade that and I'd wake up in the middle of the night. Like I'd get an alert. I was like, you're waking up again. Like, hey, job's a job, man. So I would like to find a decent prop firm so that I don't have to do it with a personal account. That way, something major news or something hits when I'm not there. Don't want to risk that. So I would like to find a prop firm, swing trade. That's 4 contracts. Look at that. It's fucking insane. That's M and Q. That's not even NQ. And we're not going to go over it now, but the ES chart looks about the same also.
Wow, nice.
If the ES chart did half as good, that's still $75,000 a year. So many ways to freaking kill it. I also want to try the the original open range strategy again. See if I can get it to work. Maybe I have to reset up my bot because it's been so altered for the way that I trade it. I still think my way is better. But if I could add that in also, why not, right? Do them all. I don't care. Sony, good morning. Sony, we're going to do a giveaway today. And we're going to do at least one qualifier. So type in giveaway game question mark. See if we get you in that qualifier. We're going to do a 50K Bullinox account. Got 5 Apex with my code. Sweet, Suni. You the man.
Excuse me.
And right now they have the, Mike, what is it? $65 or $70 activation?
I think it's 75.
75 this time?
Yep.
And when do you have to, when's the cutoff date?
I think it says about 4 days, so it'll be Friday, Monday, probably Monday night or Tuesday night, I would guess.
Okay. Sony, appreciate you. Appreciate you supporting the channel. John Pruitt, giveaway. Sony, type in giveaway, see if we can get you a Bullinox account also. Why not? Mo counts, mo better. Like I said, we're going to do a Bullinox giveaway today. 50K account. There you go.
What time is it? 10:50?
10:50. I'm good if you want to go ahead and run the game.
Not sure. You tell me. What do you think?
I'm good if you want to go ahead and run the game.
Yeah, I'm running up an account. I want to take. No, I want to make a deposit. I want to make a withdrawal, a payout request on Apex.
All right, then go wait.
And I'm running up my account over here, but I'm playing the numbers, and that's probably not a good thing. I can get myself into trouble with that. I'm trying to get to the max 2,000 payout, and I'm $870 away. I'm still far.
No skills. Good morning.
Hey, no skills.
No skills also wants to be in the game. If anybody else is there and y'all want to be in the, we're going to do at least one qualifier this morning. And then we're going to do the giveaway. Some of you guys are already qualified. The way it works, we'll do a qualifier. And then we'll do the game for the giveaway.
Okay. Dealer draws. Mike.
All right, guys, working on something real quick.
There we go. Okay. So the question is, even if I want to get to 54,000, does it have to be done today? Do I need to press it, push it? No.
Trying to pass one of the apexes or what?
No, not pass. This is a PA. And it has no rule violations. Everything is good. I want to take out $2,000.
Money, money, money. John Pruitt, no. Oh, did you ask a question? I wasn't listening.
Yes, I did. Does it have to be today? Because if you push it, I can get myself into trouble. Hey, Leonardo,
why push it?
Yeah, I agree. So I'm closing up. I'm closing up because I lost one eval today.
Yeah, John. We all know that feeling. You get there, you get your eyes on the prize. You're like, I got this.
Yeah.
And then it goes against you. It's like, oh man, no worse feeling.
Yeah. I'm at my high water mark for the day. That's it. I'll come back.
You already start making plans on what you can do with the money. Oh, I'm gonna buy me this. Get me this. Get me 10 more accounts. Story of my career. Yeah, John. I know it all so well.
Yeah,
I think most of us do.
I worked on a new math, and I want to test it out, but that didn't work. I didn't do enough work on it yet. Okay, so let's get going. Let's open up the player file, guys. Today I'm not. Love you too, JC. It was fun, those messages, eh? I'm not going back in the chat anymore, guys. So if you typed away giveaway wrong, and if you put an S in it, or if you put a space or 2 G's, there's just too many chats now and stuff. So you're gonna have to, if you're not sure, do it again. Type in giveaway. Same thing on Omnius' side. Omnius, in the meantime, if you want, you can be giving me some.
I got the people over here. They're good. If anybody else wants to type in, you can. First, we got Mikey.
Hold on, let me just do one thing. Mikey. Okay, I got him here on my Mikey 5741, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you don't have to put in the question mark anymore, guys. It works either way. Now it works with a question mark, with an exclamation mark in the beginning, in the end. It'll catch the word anywhere. Less specific, less errors. Go ahead, Omnius. Mikey.
I took a screenshot of the overnight thing. I fucked my pictures up.
You and your screenshots.
Man, I take screenshots of everything. Y'all do that? We got David Javer. I don't know if you've seen that one from overnight.
No, I didn't look this time, so you got to spell him out for me.
David. David.
Yeah, no, but the end part.
What is Javer? Yeah, Javor.
Javor. David Javy.
Then we got Aniket. Aniket FX. I think Aniket won one of the ones yesterday, right?
Aniket is a winner, yes. On the qualifier.
And then Dirty Little Trader.
DLT.
And I thought Lewis typed it in, but
Lewis. He did. He did. He did.
Okay, and then who else we got? We got Mikey.
James, are you there? We're running one more qualifier. James, you want to get in?
We got Suni. Suni, once again, appreciate you supporting the channel and the stream. You guys use our code. We use that money to put back into the stream. We give back to you guys also. So we appreciate you guys, and we try to build a community and use what money we get to put back into it. So appreciate you. We got John Pruitt.
Hold on. That's a new one. John Pruitt.
I think he was there yesterday or the day before.
Yeah, could be.
You got Suni, right?
I got Suni. I got Lewis.
Okay.
I got Luis.
No skills.
No skills. Love the name.
Case sensitive. Not really. John Pruitt, let's go. Giveaway, let's go. I will use your code. What is it? John Pruitt. My code is Omnius. You can see it at the bottom of the stream. Code Omnius, code Omnius. And if you guys want to use Mike's codes, code Floor. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel and the stream. Right now, 90% off Apex. I think it's 89 off Bull and Ox. 90% off day traders. And Taurus Arena, you have to buy 3 or more to get their discount.
Control copy.
Best deals probably right now is the Apex and the Bull and Ox. Unless you like the day traders route. You guys know with day traders, you only have to pay once for an eval. It's good until you pass it or blow it. Appreciate you, John. Use the code Omnius. That's all we got. Mike?
Team Massive, Sinister Scalper, Travel with Leo, Mr. Knife Art, Aniket, Unknown FX, Uggy Official, Olem Kide, Zar Trader, Rizumuchi That's the best I can do on that one. You got to see that one. Woo-wee. There's no vowels. Miss K911, Mikey, Skeletor, Leonardo Demonico, David Javor, Luis, Suni, John Pruitt, no skills. Okay. That is for the... Which one for one eval till you pass?
Day traders.
Yes, I knew that. It just took it just Omnius's brain worked faster than mine.
Yeah, guys, if y'all don't know day traders, let me look up, make sure whatever current deals or whatever they have.
Yeah,
will only take a second.
85. Is that snow on your screen? Hey, that's your picture. That's your picture.
So yes, day traders 90% off, guys. With day traders, now it's saying 85% off. The thing on the screen just said 90% off, so it should be. We're gonna trust that one.
It's just the sky, James. Let's get James in. James G, even though he didn't type it in.
But if you're gonna go with the day traders, make sure you're getting the 90% off. They're putting conflicting things. This is their website, so don't blame me. Mike, you go on the website, it says 90% off, then it says 85% off.
Yeah, it's 85.
It said 90. As soon as I got on what? Refresh.
Yeah, there's both. I'm not sure what it is.
Guys, that's a glitch on their site. Not much I can do about that. So it's either 85 or 90. They're saying both. I don't know why. But yes, one-time fee. It says it right there. When you go to pick your account, one-time fee. So that one time is good for the life of your eval account. And also for the people that like to trade bigger accounts, Day Traders has the same activation fee for all their accounts. So it's $130 for all their accounts, all the way up to 300. You can get 300K account, $130 activation. So for anybody that likes that route with Day Traders, they also have other options. They have static, they have straight to funding. A lot of options there. A lot of people have been sleeping on the Day Traders.
Bunch of sleepers.
Even static account. You can get a 50K static account right now for $40. For all the people always wanting static accounts. All right, what else we got? And again, appreciate you guys using our code, supporting the channel, supporting the stream.
I look like I'm all set up on my end over here.
I look like I'm all set up.
I'm all set up.
Don't look like the charts backwards. Yeah, we learn as we go, right?
I don't know what I want to do. We want to make it hard or easy to get into the take profit pit.
This one's the qualifier. Make it easy so we can get through it.
Make it easy. Okay, well, we'll leave the pegs the way they are.
And then we'll let you have whatever fun you want with the giveaway.
At the final. We'll leave the wind blowing the way it's blowing. Actually, we'll go to the other side this time. We'll blow to the right.
Throw people off.
We'll leave the pegs. Make the balls. Oh boy, you want to make it easy for people? Let's make the balls huge. These balls might not even fit into the stop loss. Game time. Points per take profit. Guys, you know this is a qualifier to get into the final we're running later. Points per take profit, 5 points. Minus 3 points if you hit the stop out pit. Well, since we're only running one peg, let's make it a big peg.
Ask Lewis about pick. Lewis, you still there? Lewis, I got a question. Yeah, I got it written down. It's right there on my notepad. Just ask Lewis.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe he has something else to do.
Right there, right there. No, I just had, swallowed a coffee. Right there. You see him?
Who?
Lewis. Weren't you asking me if Lewis is in the list?
I was asking him if he was in the chat.
Oh, I thought you were asking me if he's on the list. It's right there. Lewis.
Got him. I was going to ask him about that picture.
But the profit look like you can't use Ninja Trader. Is that correct? Daytrader.com. I don't know. I don't know what you can use with them, Mike, because I was using Project X, and now I don't have an account with them anymore, so I don't know what they went to. You have to take a look.
Mike, you may be right. I don't know where do you. Yes, looks like they're down to Onyx.
Onyx, that's it. Yep, Onyx. I never used it. I don't know what that's like. Onyx.
But Mike, I don't know if you've ever used Quantower.
Quantower.
But they were giving people full license to Quantower.
Yeah.
Quantower has you like your volume profile or charts like that, footprint charts or any of that. Quantower is really good for stuff like that.
No, that's an exceptional platform. If you want to work with Quantower, yeah, definitely.
Actually, a lot of the streamers have switched over to Quantower. You see a lot of people. That's what they're using is Quantower. Quantower has actually been more the favorite than NinjaTrader. I don't know if you're used to that platform. Of course, probably don't want to change platforms. We like what we're used to. I have Quantower. To me, I don't know. To me, it's kind of like TradingView. Kind of a mix between TradingView and NinjaTrader. But if you can get a full license to it, that's pretty decent. If you're not used to it, I would say go watch a video or something. Make sure it's a platform that you would be interested in. Day Traders is if you guys don't know this, Day Traders was the original guy for Apex. He was the guy that started Apex. Him and the guy in charge now started Apex together. This is the guy that wrote all the code and stuff. When he separated with the company, he started Day Traders. But a lot of those companies, they went to the, what is it, Project X, Mike? You had it. What was it?
Yeah, a lot of them were using Project X.
Yeah, and then they all had they all put all their effort into going with Project X, and then that got rug pulled from everybody. Now they're trying to work with different companies. But even when they had Project X, and I believe they had NinjaTrader before, a lot of people still like the Quantower.
Okay, probably no one noticed. Extra ball draw. Lewis, give me a number from 0 included. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. 2 people will get an extra ball. Omnius, you tell me what number he picks. As soon as he picks it, I'll put the
7
file on the screen.
7.
We'll see who gets it.
Hey, can you fix
7.
can you fix the cameras?
I will in a sec. It's because I have to shut the thing. 7? He picked 7?
Lewis, yeah. Lewis said 7.
7. We got Sinister and Mikey. Right there. Sinister and Mikey. Those are the 2 extra balls. Sinister and Mikey. Close. Let's get the game up. Yeah.
Lewis, I was asking you, I was saying I had a question to ask you. Yesterday, you said you put a pic in the Discord, a picture in the Discord. Me and Mike looked for it, didn't see a picture. Mike was asking me about it. I think you said a picture of your dog or something?
Gator. There we go. Mikey, you got an extra ball.
Whatever it was. If you posted it, we didn't find out where you posted it at. So we're not ignoring your picture. Didn't see it.
Call it out. Burst when you're ready, Omnius.
All right, this one's for the qualifier. Then we'll do the giveaway.
Sinister and Mikey have an extra ball.
Oh, I gotta bring it up, don't I? All right, roll it. Burst. 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's the only way.
Guys, you want to go in the take profit pit? You don't want to go in the stop out pit. Name at the top of the board over there is the one that's in the lead. James G in the lead. Sinister in number 2. Lewis number 4. No skills. Where'd you go? No skills. No skills. Number 2.
Bangs. Bangs. You're 2 seconds too late.
Where's Lewis? Make sure he's in there. Lewis number 3. You are in the game. Sunni number 1.
Lewis is bouncing around.
Oh, you got cut by Mr. Knife Art.
Lewis just went into the pit. Easy to see. It's Lewis.
We got Mikey number 13. Mikey, come on, man.
Lewis. Oh, Lewis.
John Pruitt number 12. Sunni number 3. Who's Zeller? I like the name.
Lewis is taking the scenic route, going across the screen, and he just stopped out again. What do we got?
50 seconds. No skills in the lead. Mr. Knife Art number 2. Sunni number 4. Get it. Once again, guys, it's for the qualifier. Then we'll run another one for the account. We want to give everybody a chance to get in for the account.
Small lead, James. You can catch him if you don't stop out. 48. You just got to go in the pit
20
once.
seconds. 50K. Bullinox account.
Oh, Mr. Knife Art.
Guys, if you don't win the account, 12 seconds. If you don't win the account, you can always go. They have 89% off right now. So it's like $18 for an account. It's cheaper than a month of Netflix.
Mr. Knife Art, Czar takes it.
2, 1.
Czar takes it.
Oh, at the last second?
In the last second. Czar takes it. I was watching his ball. The funny thing is, Mr. Knife Art was right there too. Someone knocked him out of the way, and it opened up the path for Czar, and he took it. He dunked himself into the pit. He jumped into the water.
Last second battle.
Yeah.
Where's some of our guys at? Mr. Knife Art, number 2. Oh, last second. Miss K was going. Where's she at? I don't see Miss K right off the bat. James G came in 3rd. No skills. 4th. Sinister 5th. Miss K 6th. Where's Lewis came in 10. Mikey came in 14. All right, guys. Good game for Czar. Mike, did you write that down? You need me to?
No. I'm creating the list now for the finals. Line by line, we got Starboy competing against No Skills, competing against SP King. James G has a ball. Flowers HVAC has a ball.
Mikey, 14 out of possible 12.
Lewis,
I think there's like 25 people in there.
Lewis has a ball. No Skills has a second ball. Mr. Knife Art. Maddie Nix. Mr. Knife Art. That's going to be Mr. Knife Art 2. No Skills, Lewis, James GSP King, No Skills. That has to be No Skills 2. And Andrew Barley. That's an interesting name. Let's just call him Andrew. Aniket. OCKEVEFX. And bringing up the rear is Czar Trader. File, save. Control, copy. Let me just make sure. Starboy, No Skills. SP King, James G. Flowers, Louie. No Skills 2. Mr. Knife Art. Mr. Knife Art 2. Maddie Nix, Andrew, Aniket. Perfect. Close. That's such a Control V. Save and apply. 14 players. Let's just check it out again. Bringing up the rear, Czar Trader, and Starboy is the first one. Save and apply. Reconcile that with the list. Yes, Starboy. Perfect. Okay, so how are we going to make this game?
Vado Loco. John Pruitt, that's you? Typed in giveaway in the Discord. Guys, we got to keep the giveaways to the YouTube stream, because we already have like 4 different places to look in the chats.
Ooh.
So,
yeah, there's a few people that typed it into Discord. Yeah, no, that you got to type it in the chat over here, guys.
yeah, we got to keep it to the YouTube until we can set something up for maybe Discord, because it's just so many places and it gets so confusing. Remember,
I wrote giveaway in a registered letter. I sent it to you by mail.
Yeah. No, John, no problem. Well, I mean, appreciate you doing it. Just want to kind of keep everybody on the same page, because we do run 2 separate streams. We also run, sometimes both of us are running 2 streams. So we're already all over the place.
James, are you still there?
No, I appreciate you typing it in. Just want to make sure we get it in the right spot. And join us Monday through Thursday. We run the qualifiers. On Friday, we run the giveaway. Sometimes on Friday, we do a qualifier.
James, did you run out? Sometimes he's not listening. Sometimes he's busy. He could be in the kitchen. James! Okay, if he shows up, somebody, if he types something, let me know. We get, yes. Are you free? Like at 12 o'clock? You want to go maybe get a coffee or something? Okay, so how are we running the game? You ready to go? I'm ready to go. We're going to keep the same settings. I like it. The pegs are good. The scoring is good. Everything is good.
Last man standing?
No, yeah, this one. I like this one. You want to go?
I thought this was last man standing. What are we playing?
No, this is lead the field. Last man standing. Did you see one man win?
Oh, no. Okay, yeah, this one.
Yeah, no, that's how you know what happens if I got to change everything.
No, we're good.
20 minutes.
We're good. I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
PDH, good morning. Who is leading the game?
We haven't started it yet. We're a few seconds away. As soon as Omnius calls it, burst. No
Wait,
fire.
are you doing another qualifier, or this is for the account?
No, this is for the account. Thank you for saying it. Absolutely. I know what you're referring to.
CanFin 10. Mike, what does that mean?
For account 1, 2, 3. Give me a sec. For account and for the account. What? Canada, Finland. Canada 0. Hockey, Olympic hockey.
Oh. Oh, he's dunking on you.
Is that the end of the game, or is that just the first few seconds? I thought that Canada knows how to play hockey, but I was wrong. Yeah, we're not doing well this year. I don't know. Canada lost the gold to the U.S. in the female hockey, and now we're first period. We still have time. We're giving you false hope. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, I'm gonna go for a coffee with James. Yeah. Besides, it's not the gold medal game.
All right, let's finish up. You ready? Having big problems with Apex? What's the problem with Apex? I was having problems with Bullinox this morning. I had to switch over to Apex. My Bullinox wouldn't work at all. And then later on it worked. Maybe you had something similar with Apex?
I don't hear you, Dave. Good. It's great to go into the weekend with a winner. I'm taking out a good payout from Apex. What? Yeah, me too. I also apologized. I'm apologizing a lot, lady.
PDA says having big problems with Apex. Too many payouts. Having the accounts too long.
Payout denials and account investigation. Well, we'll see what happens with me. My last 3 were denied. This one shows no flags. Everything looks good, so I'm expecting to get a fast and swift payout on this one. Okay, let's get this game going.
Let's do it. Guys, for the account. Everybody's ready.
Want to make it a little longer? 3 minutes.
Yeah,
Shorter,
do it.
1 minute?
2:30.
What's that 2:30? Just add 30 seconds?
I do 3 minutes, whatever. You know I'm difficult with times. Soon he heard some people got flagged.
30.
Yeah, I seen a video that said Apex was flagging a lot of accounts.
150, 230.
But also they said that they were flagging the accounts before people were asking for payout. So they're supposed to have a new system now where if you violate one of the rules, they tell you, then all you have to do is wait 8 days or something to ask for the payout. So hopefully they have that system. Seems a lot more fair than what they were doing before. And hopefully that works better for everybody.
Darius, this is for the account, all the qualifiers from the week. So we just ran a qualifier, unfortunately, but 0 flags until now when account over 120 trading days, etc. This is just for the finalists, and this is for the account, Darius. Come back next week.
I remember Darius was in some of the qualifiers. Did he get a...
He was. No, I didn't get. He didn't make it.
All right. Still watch? Yeah, still have fun. Relax.
Still watch. So we
Play
got
some
Andrew,
games.
Aniket, Flowers, James G, No Skills with 2 balls, Lewis, Maddie Knife or Maddie something, Mr. Knife with 2 balls, Osevex, SP King, Starboy, and Czar Trader. As soon as you say burst, I press the button.
5 seconds. Guys, giveaway for a Bullinox account, 50K. If you do not win, they're having an 89% sale. Links are in the description, along with the codes. You can use code Omnius. You can use code FLOOR. Help support the stream. Get the account. It's like $18. With Bullinox, the accounts are reoccurring. So if you don't pass it the first month, you're still going to get that same great discount the next month and the following month. As long as you're in the negative, they're going to reset your account. Sometimes they forget. You have to send them a quick message. But as long as you're in the negative, they automatically reset your account for the following month on rebill when you, again, get that 89% discount. So
if you're going to get some accounts, go give them some love. Help support the channel. It's very appreciated.
All All right, guys, let's do it. Everybody's ready. We've had plenty of time to get ready for the account and roll it.
Thanks to Bull and Ox for giving the accounts. Andrew out to a quick lead.
Guys, the one that accounts. Battle for it. We got Lewis, number 1. 10 points. No Skills takes it. 10 points. We got Flowers at 6. Andrew at 1 now.
Push the other players out of the way and get yourself in the pit.
Green pit good, red pit bad.
Can't get simpler than that.
Mr. Knife Art, number 11. SP King, number 14.
Starboy with 20. I can't pronounce that name. Who's got the lead, and he's getting more points. Oh no, we're gonna have to say it multiple times.
Oak of VFX.
Ovechkin, come on, Ovechkin.
Starboy is coming up to take the lead, trying to. Starboy, you get in there, we can pronounce your name better.
Starboy looks like he's gonna stop out. He goes backwards. Ovechkin
Andrew, number 3. No Skills, number 4.
Ovechkin just went in twice. He extended his lead.
Lewis, you're going the wrong way, man. Gotta get some take profits. Again.
Oh, shit. That's it. It's Ovechkin's. He just keeps going. He just keeps getting pushed in. Oh, he just stopped out. He lost 3 points. And he went right back in. And he went right back in again. Who do we got? See you guys. Take care, PDH.
PDH, appreciate you.
Andrew.
40 seconds. It's still anybody's game. We got Andrew. Ooh.
Andrew takes the lead. Andrew. Where's Andrew? It's Andrew and Ovechkin.
They're still
battling it out. Andrew's going in. Oh,
Starboy's not that far away. Mr. Knife Art's not that far away.
Not a lot of time though.
18 seconds.
Andrew and Ovechkin, both of them floating towards the pit. Andrew misses.
Starboy's only a few away. There's another one coming up. What's that? Oh, 5, 4 for the account. 2, 1.
Boom.
Andrew.
Boom, boom, boom. Andrew gets it with 63 points.
Great job, Andrew, guys. Type GG in the chat for Andrew. Dang, I was in the clouds, man. Man, you had your head in the clouds? Where did Lewis come in? Lewis came in number 11 with 17 points. Who else we got? Starboy was number 4. Madi or whatever was number 3. And Aviv, I can't pronounce your name, but you're number 2. Who else we got? Flowers, number 10. SB King, 12. James, 13. No Skills, 14.
Andrew. Where do we? Andrew Barley. Wow, he qualified on Thursday.
Mikey, I wasn't even there. Mikey, you did not win any of the qualifiers.
Yep, Mikey.
Mikey, that is why we have qualifiers. It's like the Olympics, you have to qualify. NVM, what does that mean?
I don't win those either. Never mind. Winner, Andrew Barley.
John Pruitt. Later, guys. Are fun. Later, you guys are fun. John, we appreciate you. Look forward to seeing you on the stream more often. Hanging out. We like to have fun, have jokes, play games, talk about the market, talk about strategies. I seen you were in the Discord. We try to put strategies and stuff there. We want to build more with it. Takes time. Lewis, have a great weekend. Lewis, you have a great weekend. Appreciate you guys. Hope everyone has a great weekend. If you live in Florida like I do, the weather seems beautiful. Might be a good weekend to go out riding the motorcycle. Mike, I took the kids on a ride yesterday. They were loving it.
Oh, yeah? Really? Wow.
Let me tell you what happened. So there's this road. It's got a long strip, right? I took the daughter down there, and the kids, they like the fast takeoff. So I don't like to go fast with them just in case. You always have that chance of laying a bite down. But I'll do like the fast takeoff. So I had a daughter on the bike. I did the fast takeoff, long strip of road, right? And then this vehicle starts coming the opposite way. She's all paranoid. She's like, Dad, there's a car. There's a car. I'm like, well, they're far away. I'm like, fine, I'll slow down to make her happy. It was a cop.
No way.
Like, well, good thing we slowed down.
Yeah, good timing on that one.
Yeah, that could have been a disaster.
Okay. Good job, everyone. I hope everyone had a good week. My week was pretty good. I think Omnius had a good week also. And
once again, who'd you have for the winner?
Andrew Barley.
You got that written down?
I do. Maybe take some time during the week to review your trades. Do some journaling, do some thinking about how your trading is going, how you can improve. That's how we get better. We spend time working on our game, just like professional athletes. You can't just play the game, you got to work on your game also. As Omnius said, guys, Bullinox and Apex, both about 90% off. It's always appreciated if you guys can support the channel. And with that being said, we'll see you Sunday night. Omnius is gone already.
You took my camera.
He's already
My dang camera back.
he's eager for the weekend. Where is that thing?
What can you do, right? Guys, appreciate you. Everybody have a great weekend. See everybody Monday or Sunday night. Come by, hang out with us, chat with us Sunday night. You guys, Mike.
That's it. Have a good weekend, guys.
Have
Take care.
had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real.